Welcome back as we have some weather coverage. We want to take a look at the intense scene you see here last night that played a role in the Ride the Ducks tragedy. You can see the wind. We're just moving the water there to whitecaps as it pounds this dock. We want to bring in meteorologist Elisa Raffa now for some analysis here of how that storm played a role in this incident.
Yeah, those winds, very gusty, and you could see it on the water, just kind of splashing those waves around and creating them, making them very rough and making them very big. This is the site of the capsizing at Table Rock Lake, again, just to the south and west of Branson. Now, we've got a loop of these storms, right? You could see the reds and the yellows and the oranges. That's the very heavy rain, and you could even see some of that lightning there. And then I want you to look at the very thin green line as this line comes in. Look at the thin green line. That's the gust front where those very gusty winds kind of sat on the leading edge of those thunderstorms. If we look at the radial velocity, this shows us the winds by radar indicated, and if you see the pinks and the oranges there, that's where it's telling us that those were estimated at 40 to 50 to 60 miles per hour, and we saw those in reports at the airports. In Springfield, we hit a gust of 74 miles per hour. Branson West hit a gust at 52, and the Branson airport hit a gust at 63, and this was around the time of when that storm came through over the lake. The storm reports, again, not just around Branson. They started all the way up in Kansas as this whole line fired up there, and you could see the path that it took because it blew wind damage the whole way through. Multiple trees down, power lines down in the Springfield metro. This tree took the power line down and some power was out there. Roofs that were peeled away and shelf clouds that were just very impressive. We've got some video of the leading edge of that shelf cloud that was again, that's where the gusty winds were, and from a meteorological standpoint, it was very impressive.
Very powerful time lapse there. Elisa, thank you for that. We'll be right back with a final recap of today's top story.